People who are psychic know that anyone can do it. Success for the beginner often boils down to just one simple factor: the quality of your meditation. Follow these instructions and you'll be amazed to find out that you can do it too. Close your eyes in a distraction-free environment. The purpose of meditation is to put your mind into a state of quiet peace. It's that place you go to mentally as you're trying to fall asleep at night. You don't get to sleep at night until you can turn off your brain. What you're really doing is reducing your focus down to a single topic. This is the same thing. This is concentration without distraction. Many will focus on the sound of the air they're breathing, entering and exiting their body. Notice how it feels. Sense where it goes. Feel it. Do it again and again until you notice that your body is relaxed, is at peace, is still, and you're able to focus on just this one thing. Now you're in meditation. This can take anywhere from 2 to 20 minutes. Don't forget to eliminate all distractions first. Barking dogs, traffic noise. Are you hungry, sad, sore? These things can only get in the way. Here is your target ID. It's just a random number ID that gives you something to focus on. You'll close your eyes and focus on your breathing and this target identifier. Try this. Write your target ID down on your paper, and when you ask your question, touch it with the pen or pencil that you're using. This should help your thoughts begin to flow. Pause this video, go meditate, write or draw your thoughts, and come back to see if you're correct. Ready, set, pause now. You're back. Now we will reveal the target. I'll add a 10-second countdown timer just in case you haven't paused yet. Here we go. A success looks like this. You got bits and pieces of it. Maybe you drew the angles or colors, or maybe you felt sensations as you were drawing. Maybe you felt cold or saw white or saw some sky, or you thought to yourself, it feels square or round or it sounds like a noise. There's like a billion things you could have guessed. So compare your drawing to the target and find the similarities. That's how you know if you're successful or not. Often you'll be able to name the target, but most of the time you'll just be able to describe it. I'll bet you had some success. Comment below and tell us how you did.